My cousin's ceremony is tonight.
What's his gift?
We're gonna find out.
What's your gift?
Who's asking?
Us?
Well, us. I can't just talk about myself. I'm only part of the amazing Madrigals.
Who's all the amazing Madrigals?
You're not gonna leave me alone, are you? Casita, help me out. Drawers. Floors. Doors. Let's go.
What are you doing?
They were just asking about the family and...
She was about to tell us about...
Me, I walk on my own terms. Also, who doesn't love Encanto? It's one of the best movies of all time, gang.
Great job, Mustangs. Keep up the great work for the rest of the semester.
Congratulations to the scholars who saw a gold renaissance.
Good job for the Mustangs who got silver in renaissance. Good job to the bronze scholars.
Welcome to the family Madrigal, the home of the family.
Keep up the great work, Mustangs.
We're on our way, where all the people are fantastical and magical.
And remember, everyone at Mendez has a gift.
Me, I walk on my own terms. Also, who doesn't love Encanto? It's one of the best movies of all time, gang.
Bird.
Also, who doesn't love Encanto? It's one of the best movies of all time, gang.